Hello everyone. After I posted some previous videos, thanks for all of those interests, and I got also some the valuable feedback. One thing is I want to specifically mention today is about one comment from Mark. He mentioned this Archimate Open Exchange file format. From here is I have put those information into the this GitHub for you to have a link. And then this when you come to here, actually I should mention this earlier, but I actually plan to do this in the end of this modeling. But if you want to import this the complete model, actually OpenGroup publish this kind of format for exchanging purpose. What that means, I want to introduce this before we go to the further the manually modeling. So if you click that, you see is this is the model exchange file format. You can download from OpenGroup the website. But in the left, how to use that is what I want to introduce for you. So if you have the Archi, so you can create an empty model. For example, I make that is for importing the ArchiSurance. So if that is our parts, so this is our empty model. I have already downloaded this. What that looks like. If you come to here, you can see they just like our open the exchange file. You can even open that in Notepad. It's just a standard the XML the format to document all the detail, the models, element, and as well as the views. So this is actually the ArchiSurance model. So what we can do in the Archi is if you choose File, Import, you can find this model from Open Exchange File. So from here, you can choose this and then find the file is from here. So let me click the folder. So now this is the ArchiSurance XML. If you click open, then you can see what's that mean. That is just the import part, but they actually create our separate new model, and all the elements you can see is here. So it's already there based on the defined models, and then here is the view. So if we open the kind of the first view, you can see that model is already there. So, and there's a link to the element. So that is our easy way for you to get a full picture of what's the ArchiSurance as a model itself. What we are going to do is continuously still is this is the finished model. I want to share with you is during the step-by-step is how we can make this model. So view by view and adding the element, analyze the relationship and what are the interdependencies on the different layers. So we will continue to do this, but if you want to reference the full model for your certificate, you can do this way to import. After all, is after we do all the views modeling in the coming days, I hope it's that you can do this complete model by yourself. So that will be also a big practice. And then another change I want to update to you is I have changed on the doc is previous video I based on the version 2, the case study. And now is from now I will switch to the version 3.1. It's not a big difference between these two versions, but let's use the version 3.1 since they indeed is have some the slightly improvements on more the enterprise architecture context. For example, on version 2, you don't see value stream as the highly focused the area, but on version 3.1, we have a specific view talking about the value stream, and also if you move to the later the phase, you will see there's some similar or same name, but actually is reachable contents in this new version. I will spend one video to just revise the two previously figures from version 2 to version 3. Then we will continue to do this version 3.1 as our base. And one more the changes I want to update to you is in the front page of the README is you will see a simpler the view is just based on this 6 of 7 phase, and we will put this the finished view in the different page. Then you can get more the easier than navigation on this GitHub repository when you do this the clone to your own part and do the reference. Okay, that's for all for this video, and looking forward to talk with you in the coming video. Thanks for all of your feedback and comments. Talk then. Have a nice day.